Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you launch Sea of Thieves game from Xbox app or Microsoft Store or Steam, and if you're unable to log into Xbox Live, and if you're receiving this error, we say we couldn't sign you in to Xbox Live. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to go to Microsoft website. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, it will be asking you to log in. Now you log in with your email and password. In my case, I am already logged in. So it will be asking for your email and password. Enter the email and password. And once you're logged in on this page, now go to account.xbox.com/profile. This link is also provided in the video description. Now, once you are on this page, if it is asking you to log in, use the same email and password, log in. And once you are on this page, now you can launch the game and then check. Now, still you're facing the login problem. Then the next step is to restart your PC and try again. So restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then log in. And still you're receiving the error. In that case, start Xbox services. These services, so type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. At the end you will find these 4 Xbox services. Run all the Xbox services, make a double click, set it to automatic. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Again, make a double click, set it to automatic, and then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And again, make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, start, and then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Gaming Services, make sure Gaming Services are running. If not running, make a right click and then click on start. You might see start or restart, so click on it. If it's already running, in my case it's already running, you can stop it and then restart it. So you can make a right click, then click on stop. Again, make a right click and then click on stop. And then again make a right click and then click on start. Again, make a right click on start. Now once you have Xbox service gaming services running, now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now you can launch the game and then try to log in. Now the next step is to repair or reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, and then click on app settings, and then scroll down. Over here you will see the repair option, click on repair, and after the repair you can launch the game and check. If that does not work, click on reset, and after the reset you can open Xbox app and then try to launch the game and then log in. Now do the same thing with store. So you can type in store in Windows search box, make a right click, app settings. Again, you click on the repair option and then check. If that does not work, click on reset, and then you can open Microsoft Store. Once the reset is done, you can open Microsoft Store and then you can try to launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to run WSRESET command. So type in WSRESET in Windows search box and then click on WSRESET run command, and then it will open Microsoft Store and then check. Also make sure that you log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So on Microsoft Store, on the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it, then click on sign out, sign in, and select the right account. Make sure that you select the right account over here, and then it will be asking for your PIN or password, so enter the PIN or password over here. Now once you're logged in, open Xbox app. Now over here also on the top left here you can see a profile icon, click on sign out, and then click on sign in. Now make sure that you log in with same account over here, the account which you have used on Microsoft Store. Log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. If the account is not right, you can click on switch account, select the same account, then click on continue, and then click on let's play. And then you can launch the game and then check. Now still you are unable to log in. The next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right over here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time, and make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Both are on over here. Make sure these two are on, and then click on sync now. Sync now is important, so click on sync now. If the sync is not done, you can click on sync now multiple times and make sure internet is connected when you click on sync now. And then go to language and region and make sure right country, your country is selected over here. Now the next step is to make sure gaming services and Xbox identity provider is installed on your computer. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here it will show you Xbox identity provider. Click on get in store app. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on open, and then over here if the Xbox identity provider is not installed, you will see install option or get button over here. In my case it is already installed, so there is no button. If you don't see any button to install it or get it, then you can skip the step. It's already, that means it is already installed. You don't have to do anything. If not, then install it. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from the computer. And then once this is done, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. It will open Microsoft Store over here, and you will see install option to install gaming services. Click on install. Click on yes to allow, and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, once gaming services is installed, now you can launch the game and then log in. Next step is to delete Xbox Live login credential. Now for this, type in Credential Manager in Windows search box, and then click on Credential Manager. Now go to Windows Credentials. Now over here scroll down, and over here you might find XBL device key or XBL GRTS device key. So in my case it's XBL GRTS device key. If you find any one of them, you can delete it. If you find both of them, delete both of them. In my case it's only XBL GRTS device key, so click on it and then click on remove. Click on yes. Now restart your computer. Now after the system restart, you can open Xbox app or store and then log in, launch the game and then try to log in. Now the next step is to uninstall Xbox app, restart your PC and then reinstall Xbox app. So still you're facing the problem, then type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click, then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can go to store and you can type in Xbox app in the Windows in the search box over here, and then click on Xbox app and install it from here, and then log in and then launch. Now still you're facing the problem, this time uninstall Xbox app. So type in Xbox app once again, make a right click, then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, again restart your computer. And after the system restart, go to this Xbox website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Xbox website, and scroll down where you can see download the app. Click on download the app and then run this exe file and install Xbox app, and then you can open Xbox app and then launch the game and then log in. Now the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Always open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color like this. If you see errors in red color like this, just ignore it and let the process complete. Once the process is complete, then restart your computer and then open Xbox app and then launch the game. Now the next step is to update your Windows using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, then you can update your Windows using media creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
Now the last step is to repair or reset the game. So whichever game is giving you the error message you are unable to log in that case you can repair or reset the game. To repair or reset the game, you can go to settings and then go to apps. In Windows 10, go to apps and features. In Windows 11, click on installed apps and then find the game in the list. So whichever game is giving you the error message, this is just an example. You have to select your game. In Windows 10, simply click on the Microsoft or Xbox game and then you will see advanced option. Click on advanced option. In Windows 11, click on this three dots and then click on advanced option and then click on repair. And after the repair, launch the game and then check. If that does not work, click on reset, and after the reset you can launch the game. Now once you perform reset, now you might see install option. For example, I reset this Forza Horizon 5 game, so you might see the install option if it is already, the game was already installed. So if you see the install option, then close Xbox app and then open Xbox app once again. You don't have to reinstall. You might see the play button once again once you restart Xbox app. And this is just an example with this game. So whichever game is giving you the error message, you can repair or reset that game and then launch the game and then try to log in. Steam users can verify the game files. So if you have the game on Steam, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game. This is just an example I'm showing with different game. So this is just an example. You select the game and then make a right click on the game and then select properties, go to the install files, then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to log in successfully on your Xbox Live. And that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.